How to use Instagram Notes to create notes that look like these. First of all, on the Instagram app, make sure that you're on the home page. After that, click on the message icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon might also look like this for you. You will then see your profile picture with a plus above it. Tap on the plus symbol to add a note. You can then type in your note. The maximum allowed length for a note is 60 characters. You can also add some music to your note by clicking on the music icon below. After typing in your note, below you can choose with whom you would like to share your note. You can either share your note with followers you follow back or with your close friends in case you added some friends to your close friends list. Once you have decided, click on done. In my case, it is grayed out because it was already set to followers you follow back and I don't want to adjust that, so I'll simply tap on cancel. So once you made your choice, click on share in the upper right corner and your note is live. Please note that Instagram Notes are not available to everyone. So in case you don't see the Notes feature on your Instagram, it might just be that it is not available for you. Notes allow you to share short updates privately with specific people on Instagram. Notes are visible in the chats list for up to 24 hours. After that, these notes will disappear. Also, the people that see your note, they can actually reply to your notes and this will start a private chat between you and the person who replied. To delete the note on Instagram, simply tap on your note and then tap on delete note. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day everyone, bye!